In order to add students as participants in your course, you are going to click into your individual course. Once within that specified TWEN course, you are going to go to the bottom left and click into Manage Course. Then select Manage Users. Once within Manage Users, you yourself will be listed as an administrator. Below will be the Full Participants section. This is the section where students will be added in. In order to add your students as full participants to your course, you're going to click that green Add Plus button on the right-hand side of Full Participants. Once in here, you will have two options by which to add students in, add by school or add by email. If students are registered with Westlaw, they will appear in the system so you can search their names in this box here. Once you found the students you want to add, you will click the green Add button next to their name. It will say Pending Add. You go down to the blue Add Pending button, select that. That will add the student to the course. Then they will appear in the participants section. Now, one thing we'd like to also clarify here is some of you may have students that are from another institution that are taking part in your course. Because they are not registered with your institution, they may not appear in that search option when you're trying to look them up. In order to add these students to your course, you can exercise using the Add Guest option on the top right-hand side. Once you click into that, you can select how you want them to partake in that course. If it's a student, you leave it as full participant, but you can also add them as observers and administrators. You type in their email, they will get a request to be able to join the course. So those are two ways you can do that. For students that are already registered at your university, you just add them, search their names within the system. For students that are taking part in your class that are not from your school, you just hit that Add Guest button from the top right-hand side. Now, one other thing we like to point out is in addition to you being able to add students to your course, they can actually add themselves to a course as well. How they do that is from the home page on TWEN. They would go to the Manage Course button here in the center. The drop down next to it, they will select Add Course. All the courses from their school will appear in that drop down. They can search it by name. Once it's there, they can click the Add Blue button to join that course. For some courses that may potentially have a course password, that should be provided by the professor teaching that course, so the students can type that course password in and join that course. Once they've added that course, it will appear in their courses, My Courses section right here. So that's how you can add students yourself through the course and how also students can join and add the course themselves from the TWEN homepage.